Hey guys, I'm just gonna make this quick part. I just heard something scratching at my walls. Um, Maybe it could be in like a little raccoon, but it was like it sounded like it was in my walls, scratching at the height I am in the closet, laying down. I just popped my Achilles tendon. Can anyone else pop their Achilles tendon? Like as if it was a knuckle? I think I'm the only one that can do that. Um, Also my pinky bends backwards a lot. Might be the only person that can pop their pinky. I can also pop my shoulder, but only my right one. It's kind of weird. I'm trying to pop not my shoulder, my thumb. There we go. Yay! Okay. It's probably gonna be a separate video from the video about the weird glitch. So you guys are getting 2 videos in one day. One of them is gonna be really short, like maybe a minute, which is gonna be this one. But you're still getting 2 videos today, and it's not even picking up the yippee scream. Okay. Yay! You're getting 2 videos today. 2! 2! Yippee! Yay! You guys can get multiple videos today, and you can get entertainment. Ow! Ow. Okay. Oh, sorry, that was a really weird gag. Excuse me. Oh. Ow. Ow. Keep bonking my head. Ow. Ow. I bonk my head and then move backwards to get away from where I bonked my head and then bonk my head in the back. Ow. That hurt. Really bad. Ow. I'm gonna stop recording this audio, uh, temporarily. For you guys, it's gonna seem like half a second, but for me, it could be at least an hour. Um, God damn it, I have a headache now. God damn it. Okay. Yeah. Last there was recording. It was like 7:16. Now it's like 8:20. So yeah, it was an hour. Um, yep. That really hurt. That freaking hurt. Um, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to uh get to the other video and the massive major video that's gonna probably be up in like maybe like a month. I'm planning on it being really good, and also I'm trying to get my friends to email their footage over, and they're not